Using some handy rubber from McMaster car plus some of this two-sided VHB, I'm able to trace the outline of the rubber to the inside of this mount. That way it's going to be protecting the side of the vehicle plus the mount itself. All the information on where to find the VHB and the rubber is found in the show notes below, so check out the link. This guy is just about 6 inches high and about 8 inches wide if you measure along this distance here. So this guy's a 12 by 12 piece, so I should be able to utilize half of it for this part, half of it for that part. The next step in the process is to take the backing off of this tape so you can stick the neoprene rubber to it. Remember, in my case, do not as what you see, but what I tell you to do. Make sure you remove the white powder off of this rubber. It's not going to stick as well. The best way to do that is to take some soap, water, and a paper towel and just brush it off before you actually start working with it. As you can see here, I started using silver Sharpie. That silver Sharpie did not work out. The black should be sufficient, should work for you. Alright, I've got all the holes and I got all the edges. Looks pretty good. I'm going to pull it off and then I'm going to cut it out. My original theory was to use a X-Acto knife to do the work here. Ended up not working, but I took some scissors and the scissors work perfectly. If you're a little anal retentive like myself, I'm actually going through and trimming the sides to make sure none of it's going to be sticking out when it's mounted onto the vehicle. It's all about making things look pretty here, right? As a last and final step here, I'm making X's in the circles. That way the bolt can pass through and actually retain it when we're installing it later on. All we gotta do is put it in now.